This is the cutest bird. His name is Hercules. Oh. How could you not love this face? Okay, hold on. Oh, look, my little... Okay, that's Hercules. Hey. He does not like to come off the shoulder. He turns into a Herculesaurus Rex. Let's see if we can get this on tape. Yep. It's my sweet little boy. And we got these two knuckleheads up here. We got a lover's triangle happening. Baby bird wishes she was Jimmy's BFF. But Johnny claimed him first. But they have sort of a dysfunctional relationship. So baby bird is needing a man. I'm telling you, it's a circus. And then if that's not crazy enough, we got these loud mouths over here. Yeah, chitter chatter. Lots of chatter coming from this cage. These little parakeets. You guys are cute. Yep. It's a bird's life. Hey, knock it off, you two. You say goodbye, Hercules? You say goodbye? You good boy?